Hey guys, hi, good morning. Hi, good morning, Samarendra. Good morning, Vijay Lakshmi. Good morning, Priyanka. How are you doing, guys? I just switched off the fan, it was making some noise, and I was not able to. I thought I will not be able to hear to you. Great, guys. So, how are you doing? How's the weekend going on? Hi, Hari Prasanna. Guys, am I audible? Am I audible and visible or any problems you're facing? Hi Manju, good morning. Hi Mahesh, namaskaram. Good. Supravatam, namaskaram. I think all of you should talk in your language. How do you say good morning in your language? In Odia, Bengali, Marathi, or any language, say good morning in your language. Namaskaram, I think is it Tamil? Good morning Sipra, good morning Luchusmita, good morning Kavita, good morning Rakesh. So guys, how are you doing? How is the weekend going on? I hope all of you are enjoying. Yes, audible. Am I audible and visible? Can you see me or should I move left, right? Namaskar, namaskar. Good. This is our language, So all of you can say namaskar, good morning or namaskar in your language. I mean, whatever it is. Good morning. In Odia they call sakala. Happy sakala, something like this. Okay, Brahmananda, good morning. Yes. Good. Visible, audible also. Am I audible and visible? Can you see me? Please let me know if you find any difficulties. Subhodayam, that's good. 1 second, let me see, the volume is up. Yeah, Subhodayam, that's good. This is a typical Sanskrit word. I like it. I like different languages. Subha Sakala, great. That's Odia. Great. I want all of you to talk in different language. Oh, Brahmananda is saying that's Telugu. Yeah. Telugu is a version of Sanskrit, Subha Sakala, Supravata. Great. So that's good actually, The best part is we are connecting pan India. We are not localized, we are global right now. And across multiple states, multiple countries we are connecting. So, but to bring that originality, we should talk about something from your language, right? So, yes, that's good. Perfect. Good, Luchusmita, great. So guys, today, Suprabhat, great. Suprabhat also I think is, other language also same thing is there, but I'm not sure. Maybe some of you can say whether it is Suprabhat or something else. Alright. Because in Hindi also I think is the same thing they talk, Suprabhat. Okay, guys, you continue. Meanwhile, let me tell you what. By the way, good morning everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is a fitness HIIT workout. I hope all of you are. Anybody who has been to HIIT before, or it's the first time? Please tell me how many are less than 5 classes. Less than 5 classes. Please tell your name and which place you belong to. Less than 5 classes to film workshop, film fitness workout. How many are less than 5 classes? Because see, HIIT is little intense, so I don't want to tire too many people today. I don't want to get some abuses later. How many are less than 5 classes? So let me know. And how many are more than 5 classes? So accordingly I can make a balance. First session, great, that's good. Gyan Prakash is first session. Less than 5 classes, more than 5 classes. Please tell you how many times you have done so that I can plan accordingly. Alright. So while you guys type, I'll be reading that obviously. Vijay Lakshmi Prakash, good. Shiva Pradhan, good morning. How many are less than 5 classes? And how many are more than 5 classes? Please mention. It will be great if I get to know. Alright. I'll be waiting. Give you 30 seconds to type. Less than 5 classes and more than 5 classes, 30 seconds to type. Today is your 5th class, good. So you are just on the threshold. Alright, good. How many are less than 5 classes? Sipra Padhi first class today, but I did it before. Okay, good. Someone in all the classes, great. So I guess all of you can type. Meanwhile, let me explain you what is HIIT. High intensity interval training. So what happens in HIIT is in a very short time you do lot of workout and do lot of massive kind of calorie crush exercises which can burn lot of calories. It is not like goes for longer time. There will be time when we'll do it on and off, and that is HIIT. Okay, so very short intervals. There will be certain time we'll do it and certain time will be off. The recovery period will be that off period. There's no break. So we'll explain about that. What is the plan? So today what we'll do is we'll do warm up. There will be 4 rounds of 4 exercises will be there. Each of the exercise will do at least 10 to 15 times. Okay, remember 10 to 15 times we'll do each of the warm up exercises. Then after that we'll do the main exercise. That will be 4 exercises, but there will be 2 groups because the HIIT program will make it 2 groups. Each group will have 2 exercises and each exercise will do for 10 to 15 times. Okay, and finally we'll cool down. Let me repeat again. Okay, Sravanti first class, great. Sravanti, Priyanka is more than 5 classes, great. Simanchal, how many classes you have attended so far? Please mention. Siva 7 classes. Luchismita more than 5, great. So I think it's a mix of less than 5 and more than 5, so it's good. We have a mixed crowd right now, great. So what we'll do right now, we'll do warm up. Okay, 4 exercises, each of them 10 to 15 times, 2 times we'll do it, and main exercise there will be 4 exercises, we'll do 4 times and each of them 10 to 15 times. So main exercise there will be 2 groups, each group 30-second on and 20-second off. Okay, that means 30 seconds will do it, then 20 seconds will take a break. Then 30 seconds will do it and 20 seconds break. I'll just explain you, don't worry about it. I know it's quite, many of you are new, so for you it will take some time to understand. Let's first complete the warm-up first. And warm-up I'll do quick demo, how it is, what are the warm-ups we are doing today. Then we'll move to the other doing it. Okay. Meanwhile, I hope you all of you don't mind any music. I'll just put a very soothing, slow music so that alright gang, good to see. By the way, let's start now. All of you have some water with you. Please have a water bottle. Please have a towel ready with you. These things are ready. Required because you'll be sweating also and you'll need some water in between. So I hope all of you have some pre-workout snacks also. Please, if today I don't know you have had it or not, please let me know. If you did not have it, it's good to have some pre-workout snacks because you'll be burning a lot of calories. You need some energy as well. Okay. So let's talk about the warm-up today. Warm-up first exercise. I'll just demonstrate first. Then after that we'll start doing it. If you find it difficulty, you can always type and I can come back. Okay, great. So start with the music now. Okay. So first one we'll do is, I'm demonstrating, it's not doing actually. Slow high knees. Okay, alternate tap. Very soothing. With the music, you'll definitely enjoy this cool warm-up. Warm-up is just to make your body ready for the main workout. The main workout are going to burn a lot of calories and it's going to be intense. Your body has to get used to it. That's the first one we'll do. Next we'll do side stretch. You can feel your obliques, you can feel your arms, shoulders. It will be great. Again, you have to do 10 to 15 times. Alright. Then next we'll do hamstring move. Hamstring move, 10 to 15 times we'll do it. Okay. Just look at me, the same way you have to do 10 to 15 times each side. Alright. Then start jump. Start jump, understand you need some space. Okay. So the hand can rotate. Start jump. Or jumping jack, anything you want to talk. Jumping jack you can do, or star jumping you can do. Star jump is also similar to like this. You look like a star. Again, jumping jack also fine. You can jumping jack, do 10 to 15 times. Okay? And kind of jump on the spot. Just do one. Wind up the warm up. I hope all of you got it. 4 exercises we did and each of them will do 10 to 15 times. Okay, let's start with first warm up and we'll continue. All the 4 warm up has to be completed. Okay, 10 to 15 times. First round will complete, then second round will complete, then we'll move to the main exercise. So let's start with the first warm up. Slow high knees, 10 to 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great. Done. So first warm up is done. Now move to the next one, which is side stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it doing good, guys? Half of the warm up is done. So now next move to the hamstring movements sidewise. So there's not much break in between, maybe 15 seconds you can take, because they're very easy warm-ups. I don't want to tire you too much during warm-ups. Just should be good enough for you to get ready. So these three are easy. Maybe start jump or jumping jack. I'll just little bit explain you more so that you can do it better. So this is done. Great. So next is jumping jack or maybe start jump. Jumping jack, if you are able to start jump, then you can bend down to it, but maybe new people are there, so I'll do today jumping jack now. Jumping jack is your hand, you should move like this, okay? And if you are not able to move, so please do like this. It's little easier version, less complicated. And if you want little bit more intense, the real one is like this. 15 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So did 4 exercises. Okay, I hope all of you done the first set of warm up. If you're not done, let me know. Meanwhile, let me see the chat. Alright, Mahesh told first class. Mahesh from Kerala, great. Salendra, good morning. Shivanchal is more than 5. Rakesh is more than 5. Priyanka, good morning. Okay, those who came recently, we just discuss how many classes you have attended so far. Is it less than 5 or more than 5, so that the HIIT program I can little bit tune based on the crowd. So all of you can type, if you have not typed yet, how many classes you have attended. We done at the first set of warm up. Is it good, guys? Are you done 10 to 15 times? How many times are done? You can type. Hi, good morning, Ranjita. I think Ranjita also first time. First time was big round of applause for you from my side. I see good number of first timers. Big round of applause. Let's get excited for a super Sunday. So are you done with the first set of warm up before I move to a second set? First class, great Ranjita, great. So sometime back, the people who came late, I were talking about what do you say good morning in different languages. Okay, so some people told Suprabhat, some people told Subha Sakala. So you, whichever language you speak, your native language, you say good morning in your language. So the latecomers, you can probably type it. If you have, I see some language, some people Suprabhat, Subha Sakala, Subhodayam. So that's fun, because today is Sunday and obviously it's a morning time. Great. So are you done with the first set of warm up, guys? Before I move to the next set, let me know. First set done. But the people are coming first time, please don't do complete, you can just do as per your wish. You can just watch maybe more, and you can do little bit of, let get used to it. Okay, don't stress too much. First timers or less than 5 classes, just do it slowly. If I'm talking 15 times, do it 10 times. And I'm also talking about the easier version. Each of the exercise I'll talk about easier version. Easier version something you can pick up. Difficult one for the people who have done more than 5 classes, more than 10 classes. Easier version for those people who have less than 5 classes. Okay, good. So now let's do the second set of warm up. The music is fine. Is it too loud? Or let me know. Alright. Slow high knees. Second set of warm up. The last set of warm up, guys. Get excited. We are for a big blast today. Super Sunday blast. Great exercise. Great feeling. And you'll find a lot of energy. Slow high knees. Slow high knees. 15 times. 15 times each side. 1, 2. 1, 2 is 1. 1, 2 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Done with the first exercise, the second warm up. Now side stretch. So while you do this, go for full range of motions. Once a full range of motions, not like this. Go like you're hitting somebody. Ooh. Ha. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Okay, next hamstring move. Easy one. Hamstring move. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Last warm up of the day, guys. Last warm up, 10-second break. And this is awesome because this will give a lot of energy. It will give the blood to the muscles so that you do the intense main exercises. And that's the jumping jack. Again, the people came late. Please do like this, jumping jack. You're the first timer, beginner, less than 5 classes. This is jumping jack for you. Or the people are already regular pros. Jumping jack 15 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome, guys. I feel awesome. How do you feel? Are you excited? Are you feeling the energy? I feel the Sunday is going to be the best of the Sundays ever. I feel the excitement, the energy, and get ready for the main exercise. So who are completed? And how many times are completed? Please type it. Before we discuss our main exercise, please mention if you have already done or still you are doing. And how many times you have done. Hi Shanti Swarup. Manju told first set is done. Lucy Smith also first is done. Second set, how many have completed? Please let me know so that I explain the main exercise. Very much excited first time doing each 15 times. By the way, Vijay Lakshmi is really excited about this exercise. He is something a trend setter for the whole community, I can tell you. She is 64 years old, but she is attending all the classes. So that is amazing. I really proud of you. Samarendra 2 set 20 is great. Ranjita done. Great. Ranjita did first time, but you did good. Rupali great. Great guys, great. So the music I hope is good. Let me explain the main exercise. So HIIT is high intensity interval training, 30-second on, 20-second off. So all of you have a watch, I guess. If not, please use some watch, or maybe you can follow me. Anything is fine. All right. So what I'll do is, in HIIT we'll do 2 programs, we'll run 2 groups. Each group will have 2 exercises. Each exercise we'll do for 4 times. Okay. So let me explain you what are the exercises we're going to do today. And each of the exercise, in a group there is no break. I mean, there's a break of 20 seconds, but not bigger than that. That means 30-second on, 20-second off, and 30-second on, 20-second off. That's the first group. Then we'll take a break. Okay, so that means the first group is over, 2 exercise. Then we'll take a break of 1 minute. Then we move to the second group. Again we move to the first group, again second group. That we'll do 4 times. All right. Good, Sipra. You also first time, doing great. Great, Vijayalakshmi. Great, Minu. Awesome, Minu. You also first time. Manju, great. Salenda, great. Okay, guys. So let me explain you the 4 exercises what I'm going to do today. If you are new, maybe less than 5 classes to a few, I'll explain you the easier version also. So don't worry. Do not get stressed out, because this is something for intermediate to beginner. Advanced version also is available. We can discuss. Okay. So first thing what we'll do is we'll do squat jack. Okay, squat jack. So let me explain you how the squat jack is like. Good morning, Niranjan. Just started. We're not yet done anything so far. Okay, squat jack. So be in a wide squat position. Wide squat position like this. Okay. Now here, understand. Here what you should do, you should not bend your knees too much. Your butt should be little out. Okay. And your chin up, chest up, and the toes should be pointed. Okay. See. Toes are pointed, chin up, your butt out. Okay. Now what you need to do is understand here. From this point, you are bringing them close, taking them far. Bringing them close, taking them far. Okay. The squat jack. So here when you're doing this, understand, don't bounce too much, don't bend like too much like this, or don't do like this. Not like this. Okay. Your legs, your toes should be just below the knees, legs should be little out, and from here wide squat position, from here chin pointed, and from here, this is for the advanced, okay, the regular ones. For the people who are new, less than 5 classes, is it good, guys? It should not be too taxing for you. This is the one you can do. This is again the different jack, different version of jumping jack. So this is what you will do. Okay. Others, regular one. Okay, good. Next we will do the scatter planks. Scatter planks is again a different exercise. Let me explain you how the scatter planks is like. Okay, so lie on the floor. Okay. One leg, knee should be down, and here the leg should be little staggered. Okay. Now from here, let me explain you how it will happen. From here, can you see how I'm moving? Now it's alternating. That means the right knee on the ground, and the other leg is staggered. Now left knee on the ground. You don't have to keep it on ground. You keep it lifted. Okay. Now for the people who are beginners, less than 5 classes, what you need to do is, your knee should be down. Little slow movements like this. For advanced people, knee should be up. Okay, knee down and moving around, moving sideways. So it's a scatter plank. So you're basically being on a plank position. Okay, here, now moving. Okay, I hope all of you got it. If not, let me know. It's quite awesome exercise, you'll love it. Next is lateral jumps. Okay, Niranjan, good morning. Sipra, great, 15 times. Armila, good morning. Jyoti Prakash, good morning. I hope many of you are new, first timers. Less than 5 classes, please type how many classes you have attended. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have more than 5 classes, please mention you are more than 5. Okay. Third exercise is, you can say lateral jumps. You can do liquid football drill kind of thing. So, very fast, very fast. So 15 times each side. Okay. So we're going to do like this, full range of motions. Whew. This is awesome. Lateral jumps. Okay. And finally, we're going to do burpees. Burpees is an awesome exercise. Let me explain you how to like. So be on position like this. Okay. Now your hands, your palms are just below your shoulders. Your toe up. Okay. Or you can keep your leg down, whatever it is. Doesn't matter. Chin up. Okay. Back straight. Now from here, what you will do is you will do like this. Go to a plank position. Then, so now you are like a squat. Okay. This is squat position. From here, what you are doing? You are going to plank. Again, going to squat and standing up. This is one round. Similarly, do 10 to 15 times. And people who are new, less than 5 classes, okay, so what you need to do is, let's put an easier one. Easier one is like this. From here, what you do is, okay, or maybe you can do like this. From here, put your legs one by one, again front, like this, okay. So from here, one leg out, second leg out, one leg up, second leg up, and stand up, okay. Are you good? So now what we'll do is, let's do 2 exercises now. 30 seconds up, 20 seconds off. Okay. If you're not able to count on and off, you don't have a timer, please use number of counts. 15 times on and 10 times off. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that 15 times you should count your thing. And after that you can take a break of 30 seconds or 20 seconds based on your speed. Okay. Are you good now? Should we start? Let me know. Should we start now? I'll explain you anyways. It's not that you, if you find difficult, let me know. I can explain you again also, no problem. But should we start? I'll do little slow also because a lot of new people are there. For new people, I'll do some easier version. For advanced people, I'll do little difficult version. So it'll be combo offer today. Sunday is a combo day. Great. So let's combo offers. Let's enable the combo. So now let's start with the squat jack. So squat jack, understand, 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So I have a watch. You need to have a watch as well. If you don't have, just follow me. Okay, or maybe you can use a count. 15 times on and 20 seconds off. 15 times, maybe just count. 15 times if you do, that's 30 seconds. Equivalent to 30 seconds, okay? And that's what. And this 30 seconds, remember, you have to see how many times you're doing it. Remember? So, let me say sumo squat now, sorry, we'll do squat jack now. I'm just waiting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. For new people, first timers, this is what you can do. Done. 20 seconds off. So I'm taking a break for 20 seconds. Start. Easy version. Done. So we'll take 20 second break again. Okay. So we'll do again, alternate these two. 20 second break. Again we'll do 30 second on, 20 second off. You can do a little more also. 40 second on, 30 second off. Again first group, 2 times are doing now. Now start it. beginners, the beginner version. Ooh, I'm loving it. And for advanced people, you can mix also, because it's not easy. HIIT is ruthless. You're going to burn a lot of calories. So you can't be easy on yourself. You have to be tough on yourself. But it's fun. Done. Next is scatter plank. Oh, 20-second break. So doing 4 exercises now. All of them 2-2. Then move to the second group also. Oh, now great. Get ready now. Plank position. Leg side. Okay, let me start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy one. I can mix it easy also. Done. So what you did, guys? 18 times, great. So we did 2 exercises, 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. We did 4 times. Great. All right. Is it good now, guys? First group 2 exercises over. Now I'm taking a break. Break for 2 minutes, 1 minute, because if a really kind of rigid HIIT, we'll continue it. It will not take a break, bigger break, but we have to do it because a lot of new people are there. But I'm showing you the program. Great, Vijayalakshmi. It's not easy. Tough one. Doing 8 times is not easy. Great. So I'll be waiting for you guys. We did 4 exercises. We did 2 exercises 2 times. So 4 exercises total. Squat, jack and scattered plank. These are some great exercise. Full body workout, HIIT. I hope all of you have started a little bit. Your face is starting some sweat. Now what we'll do is, again we'll do the same 2 exercises. Again 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. And how many times? Again 4 times. And we'll close it. Then move to the second group. I hope all of you got it. Same thing we'll do again. 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. And consecutively, one after the other. No break. Only 20-second break is the break. There is no more break. That is, otherwise not an HIIT. Let me know once you're done with the first set. The 4 different sets will be there. First set, how many are done? Please let me know. I'll just give you time so that you complete. If you want any support, let me know. I can help you also. If you find it difficult, you want some more understanding, I can help you offline also. No problem. Have some water, guys. And shake up and kick up. So all the sweat should go off. Because you are not going to take a break now. You are going to do the second set. And you should show that effort. You should put that effort in between. Take some water break also in between. This is a break time. So let me know once you complete 4 exercises. We complete it in hardly 3 minutes. Fast. That is HIIT is all about. Fast, super fast. You can't take a lot of break. Short time. You know what? The HIIT 30 minutes burns more calories than 2 hours in gym. Because in gym 2 hours I effectively work for only 30-40 minutes. Remainder you take breaks. Here the break is very less. When you take lesser breaks, do more workouts in a very short span, it burns more calories. Okay? Great, Niranjan. Heartbeat increasing. That's good. Heartbeat should increase. Awesome. Why? Great, Niranjan. I like the spirit. So who else have completed 4 different exercises? Each of them twice. Please let me know. Then I move to again. First group, again 4 times. If you're new, please take it easy. Don't stress too much. Maybe today you can watch, or maybe do a little bit of it. Idea is not to stress too much because there are so many things are there. Gradually your body will get used to it. I was not able to do it around 6 months back. Now I'm able to do everything. It all talks about, we talk about persistency, consistency, patience. Give the energy, focus, it will happen. It's not difficult. Don't give up. Me finished. Wow, Vijayalakshmi has finished. Who else has finished? I want 1 or 2 more volunteers. Then I'll start with the second set. And I'm telling the easier version also. So if you find it difficult, the tough one, do the easier one. Take a break also in between, no problem. Are you good, guys? Done. That's awesome. So what we'll do now, guys, we'll do again the same 2 exercise. We'll do 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Please count also how many times you're doing it. It's good if you can count it. If not, it's no problem. So 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. I'll be counting the time. In case you don't have a timer, I'll help you. I'll be your timer for you. And I'll help you out. No problem. Okay? But you can count how many times you're doing it. Okay? So we'll start. 15 seconds to go. Again, squat jack and scatter jump. Okay, 15 seconds to grow. Now I'll count. 10, 9, 8, 7. Take your position, guys. Okay, I'll give you 15 seconds more also. No problem. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 20-second break. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my gosh. 20-second break. Then move to squat jack again. 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 15. Okay, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See now. Easy one. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Great. 20-second break, guys. Wow. 15, 14, 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Easy one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done. Oh, boy. I hope I've done. I hope didn't miss out. Squat jog, scatter plank, then squat jog and scatter plank. I think one more last set is still pending. 20-second break. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Done. Last exercise of the first group. Scatter plank. 20-second break. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 5, 6. It's not an easy exercise, guys. So mix both beginner and advanced. It's okay. Ooh. Ooh. Done. Done, guys. We are done with first group 4 exercise. We are done. Now move to second group. Take a break now. Take some water. Your heart has started pumping. Your breathing will become a little restless. You will be sweating. Shake off your legs, your arms, and take a rest. Recovery, break, a rest period for 1 minute. If you want more, let's make it 2 minutes, no problem. We did 8 exercises. First group we did 8 exercises. Second group we might do 4. Okay, good. Let me know how many finish the second set also. Second set, again 4 exercises, how many have completed. After that we'll go to the second group. In second group we'll do little less, being a lot of new people are there. We'll do 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. That's it. We'll not do seconds per time again. So total doing 12 exercises today. I hope you got it. I'll explain again. How many have completed the second round also? Second round. Great, Samaranda. How many times you did? Some music for people who are still doing workout. This music is dedicated to you who all are here in this workout session. This is the one dedicated to you. Stormy weather. This Bangalore weather is very stormy. That's the sound of the music. The name of the music is Stormy Weather. Great, Sipra. 2015. Great. I give you a 1 minute break, guys. I don't want to tire you too much. I know you guys can do it. But being the Sunday, you don't want to let your muscles sore too much of pain on your body. I 1 or 2 minute break. How many are completed? Please let me know. Next we'll move to lateral jumps and burpees. 2 plus 2 will do 4 times. Yeah, I know Vijay Lakshmi is not easy, so do the easy version more. Okay. Maybe you can completely do easy version as you keep on attending more. Maybe 10 is a good benchmark for some of you who want to get used to the advanced version. 5 minutes suffice. You can do 10 times to this come to this sensor. Then you can do hard exercise. Wow, Sipra has completed with me. That's awesome, Sipra. I like the spirit. Completed second group. Great, great guys, great. So now let's have some water. 20 and 10 finish. Great. So what I'll do now is, let me explain again. Some of you have forgotten lateral jumps and burpees. Lateral jumps, you know that. I showed you, but again just to give you a leg. It's an easy one, I guess. It's not quite difficult. Okay, and burpees you know it. Again to show you, easy and difficult. First I'll show the difficult one, burpees. Keep your hands down. Okay, squat position from here. You want to make it difficult? You make this. Okay. 1, 2 like this. And the people are very new here today. Please, what you need to do easier burpee. Maybe you can do like this. One leg after another, not together. One leg after. Like this. And then stand up. Okay, 15 to 20 times. I mean, it's not a number of times you are doing it to see this. We're going to see how much time. 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. We're going to start now. We'll do 2 sets and complete the exercise. Okay, that means lateral jumps 30 seconds, then 20 seconds off, then burpees 30 seconds and 20 seconds off, then lateral jumps 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off, then burpees 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Good guys? So now let's start. Yeah, just do that. So now this will be 4 exercises. You'll complete in 3 minutes. Flat, 3 to 4 minutes you'll complete. Okay? A lot of fun. Okay? Okay guys, let's start with the lateral jumps. Let's count. So I give you 30 seconds now to take your positions. 30 seconds to take the positions. Okay? Oh, that's awesome. 20 seconds to go. Be in a good position. Ready? Ready, 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 ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. I'm counting. 30 seconds will tell you when it's off. Then you can ten more seconds to go, guys. It's an awesome exercise. I love it. See the whole body exercise. You're moving your whole torso, your legs, your hamstrings. Done. 20 second break now. 15, take your positions, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Now 20 seconds break again. Count. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Okay, you can move sidewise, full range of motions. Bring your knees closer to your palms. How much close you can do is great. 15 seconds to go. Next, burpees, last exercise of the day. Burpees. You can tire you more, but a lot of new people, making sure that you guys are not tired too much in the first day. Done. 20-second break. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Done guys, done. We are done with the exercise for the day. Great guys, I hope all of you are done. Let me know. Yeah, counting is not important in HIIT, is how much time. The intervals are important. Burpees you cannot do more than 10 times in 30 seconds, but sidewise movements you can do 30 times. So counting is not important, just to track you, that's it. Are you done guys? Let me know. We'll just do cool down. Let me know who else have completed. Complete with me, that's great, thanks a lot. You make me feel special. That means you're tracking the time well. Then Manju, great. How many else? Who else have completed? Let me know. Also some good cool down today, which will actually make you feel better. Wow, great. Tough one, easier one, Niranjan done. Great. So cooling down is important guys, because if you don't cool down, your soreness will increase. And 1 second. So muscle soreness will increase, that will create more problems, so you may not be able to do workout tomorrow. So for that I want all of us to cool down. How do you cool down? Let me show some simple exercise which will help you to cool down. You can probably take help of something if you can do it. Pull your hamstring up. 1 second, the music has stopped. Let me know. Stretch it. And the other hand also. If you find it difficult to balance the way I am doing it, take help of a wall. And do it, no problem. It's not important whether you are holding to something and pulling down or not. Okay? Leg straight, other leg is slightly bent. Try to touch your toes. You feel your hamstrings, stretch on that. You love it. It's a good stretch. Stretch. Knee on one knee. Try to pull the other one. You can pull with both hands, or maybe one hand also. Okay, no problem. This is for your chest and back. This is for the back. Very important to pull down so the body becomes normal. Biceps. Other side. This for the triceps. You can keep your, try to touch both fingers. Turn around. Alright, good guys. So finally 2 more for pull down. Cobra. Or get to a cell pose. That's right. We are done for the day, guys. How do you feel? We closed before 1 hour. And that's awesome. And guys, you know what? Very important for you, all of you. So what we did today, by the way, we did 4 warm-ups 4 times. Okay, so 16 exercise we did in warm-up itself. Oh, sorry, 4 exercise 2 times, 8 exercise. Then we do main exercise. First group we did 4 for 8 times. Okay. Second group we did for 12 times. 4 times. Total main exercise we did 12 times. Warm-up we did 8 times. So we did 20 exercise in a day within 1 hour. That's amazing. 20 exercise. You had your main starter. You had your main course. And finally the dessert. The dessert is cool down. The starter was all this jumping jack or maybe side movements. Main course is the tandoori kebab or maybe paneer, mushroom, good food. Then cool down in the dessert. You had everything. You had a full course meal, guys. What else you need? It's a great breakfast, I can say. Great, guys. I hope all of you had a great time. And the best thing what you can do is to showcase the effort, okay, before you leave for the day. So you can write some comments, how was the session here in this Facebook, and also you can send your photos, okay. It's not that you have to look good dresses and all the makeups and all will take a photo. We'll take a photo while we are sweating also, okay. You know, that is a real fun. So send your photos and send your pictures. We'll cherish this time forever. With this I'm done, signing off. See you again next class. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot and thanks for joining.